somewhat frigid. Chilly anyways. Victor Valley RC Flyers in the middle of the Mojave Desert. We're at their EDF jet fly. And we're with Brent Hecht and his little P-80 bash from a Freewing T-33. I'm going to try to stay with this thing. It's really, really hard because this thing really moves out. I mean, I'm not even playing. So, I'll try to stay with it here. Just a good video of this little plane. Again, this was a Freewing T-33. And Brent thought, hey, why not make a P-80 out of it? So he did. And he's playing with a new box. He has a DX18 that he's been experimenting with. And get some trimming in it. Wind kitty to put over my mic, but at least you can turn the volume down and enjoy the flight anyways, I suppose. But the winds are really picking up now. The winds are angry. The winds are angry. And we're in Victor Valley RC Flyers. It's in Hesperia, California. It's just north of this place called the Cajon Pass. And there's still snow on the mountains of the Cajon Pass. So it's a little chilly. It gets cold into the desert. People don't realize that, but it does. This is just a neat bash of the jet. It really is. Flies super good.
Come on out.
Yeah. Actually, believe it or not, this jet's kind of showing up pretty good right now because there's no sun. As weird as that sounds, but anyway. But yeah, this is again, this is the Freewing T-33, which is a really good flying plane as it is. And then Brent did some work to it. Shortened the nose, closed up the ducting, made it a lot more efficient. And this thing just really, really flies good. It really is a shooting star now. It really is. Done up as a test ship that was flown out at Edwards Air Force Base way back in the day. And just a good looking model.
Landing.
And the winds are calming down just a little bit, just in time. That's cool. So Brent's got the P-80 in landing configuration. And just another beautiful flight. And the sun comes out just in time. This is great. It's great.
Taking a runway.
Alright. Get out of the way here. Alright. Get out of the way. Brent's taxiing the P-80 in. There we are. Super. Alright. another flight in the books with the P-80. So, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Click that notification bell. And we're here at the Victor Valley RC Flyers. We're at their EDF Fun Fly. And we're actually in Hesperia, California. As you can see, there's still snow in the background there. Look at that, huh? And the wind's right down the runway, so we're doing good. So, hey, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in, everybody. Cheers. Happy landings. All the best from Just Wing It. More to come from the Victor Valley RC Flyers. Cheers.